Hi there, and today I'm doing a Saturn eye tutorial, and I'm gonna use this app called Picsart. It was free to download. I'll leave the link on the description. Tap the circle thing with the plus icon, then edit, pick an eye picture, then tap the sticker, then search Saturn. Okay, I'm gonna pick this one. Then replace the Saturn to the eye. Tap the erase icon on the top and remove the excess. And there we go. It's done, and thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed this video, even if I sound like a boy. Okay, bye. And you, oh my god, I don't think I'm gonna survive this one. Why am I so nervous? What in the world? And I'm gonna pocket, gosh.